Lucy. Daddy's throwing away your... Ah.
She's still gonna do it.
Come on, everybody. One more time.
Aren't your avocados good? Yeah. Lucy, what'd you think? Was it good? Was it good? You have them all over your face. Look at your face.
Push under her arms too.
You do it.
Go, Lucy, go crazy! No, you gotta go crazier. Go crazy! Easier than that. I know you can. Go. Alright, that's better. Your turn.
Lucy!
Touching you, touching me. Hey, get over there, you little squirt. Those are my glasses. Those are my glasses. Those are my glasses. She took a good bit. Lucy, what are you doing?
Lucy.
I know you understand me.
Do you have Dada's hat?
Yeah. Give it back.
Did
Come
you
here.
steal his hat?
No, wrong way, Lucy. Bring it back over here.
Are you running away with Dada's hat?
Lucy, bring me my hat. No, don't eat it. Bring it back over here. To me. Come on. Lucy, who is that lady? Do you know her? Who is that? So you do?
I'm trying carrots for the very first time. What do we think? Want to try more? Here, open. Lucy. Say, ah.
She said, I don't like carrots. Nope, I'm trying to build the tower, Lucy. I'm not even done yet. You gotta let me build it first. I built it. Whoa! Are you driving? I didn't think you were old enough to drive. Lucy, are you riding shotgun? Yeah. This is the sea mist. Just destroyed. There's the pool. Look at this place.
I can't believe I went down that slide butt naked.
What's Lucy eating?
Butternut squash for lunch.
That's squash. That's what Lucy gets to eat.
It's just frozen.
A nice square. What we get to eat. Oh yeah. Lucy.
Lucy.
Keep
Hi.
on ahead.
Hi. Where you at? There you is. Hi. Wow.
One, two, three. This is next door to the condos. Condos right there. Hey, good thing you got his boat right here. He could just drive away.
Whoa, good job. Uh-oh. Can Lucy say, uh-oh? Can you say, uh-oh? Good job. Oh, are you standing? Whoa.
So Lucy woke up about 45 minutes ago. And now she has somehow dug through all of these and she finally found one that she could get stuff out of. And so she has some cleaning rags. This is what Lucy's been doing. She keeps lifting up the rug to play with the tag. Here we are.